Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. If you throw two dice at the same time, the probability that a 6 will be shown on one of the dice is 10 out of 36. And then the probability that a 6 will be shown on both sides of the dice is 1 out of 36. What is the probability that a 6 will not show on either of the dice when you throw two dice at the same time? It will be easier for us to find the probability of a 6 showing on one side of the dice and a 6 showing on both sides of the dice. We can find the probability of getting a 6. Or let me give you an example. Probability of A and probability of not A. So these two events are what? They are complementary events because they add up to 1. So probability of A plus probability of not A is equal to 1. And then we can easily find probability of not A by saying 1 minus probability of A. So we are going to do the same thing here. Probability of getting 6 is equal to 10 over 36 plus 1 over 36, which is equal to 11 over 36. What is the probability of not getting 6? Probability of not getting 6 is equal to 1 minus 11 over 36. It's going to be 1 minus probability of getting 6, which is 11 over 36. And then this is 25 over 36.